Hi everyone, welcome to the next video of what I prepped today. Today is actually just a relative term in that sentence because this has been the last couple days, and these are the things that have come in the mail, and then I also picked up a few items at a store. So the first thing I'll cover is the Lysol. You always want to be able to kill germs and disinfect surfaces. So I got this Lysol on Amazon for $7.59 for the 2-pack. If you do a subscribe and save, it's $6.54. That's 15% less. And just so you know, you could add this to your subscribe and save, get it one time to get your 15% off, and then cancel it the next time. They don't make you stick with your subscribe and save. And always, when I subscribe and save to something, just so I don't forget to cancel it and receive it again the next month, I always select 6 months auto ship, and then every month I'm always back on there just adjusting my subscribe and save, and then I'll just take it off then. The next item I'm going to cover is the top ramen, and I believe I said in another video that these have monosodium glutamate, and that's one of the reasons we don't eat them. And this brand does not have monosodium glutamate. So I used to live on these when I worked in a warehouse, and we had to take a quick lunch, and I'd buy 5 cups a week, and that would be my lunch every week. So I got these at Sam's Club, and of course they shipped them free. They were on sale. They were the monthly special for last month, and this is the second time I've gotten these, and I will be putting each packet separately into a Mylar bag, and then I'll label them, and this way I will always have food to share. And these will probably be one of the last things we ever want to eat, but I don't know, you never know. So I got the chicken and the beef. There were 48 in each case. I paid $5.98 for the chicken and $5.68 for the beef. The next thing I'll cover will be the erythritol. I don't eat sugar, and we're trying to get away from eating sugar and things with sugar in them, so we use erythritol now. This is the granulated erythritol right there, the Health Garden brand. This is a 3-pound size, and the Hoosier Hill Farm powdered erythritol for, you know, confectioner sugar replacement. I make a keto pudding that has no carbs, and this company is the only one I've found that even has the powdered erythritol at a half-decent price, although I have heard that you can take the granulated and put it in a food processor and make it into the powdered, but I'm not even going to bother with that. It is quite expensive. The powdered erythritol is 23 pounds, which makes it $7.66 a pound, and you can also purchase things directly from Hoosier Hill Farm, and a lot of them are cheaper directly from their site than they are on Amazon, but this powdered sugar was exactly the same price, so I got it on Amazon to get the free shipping and to get my fuel perks and my so then, sorry, there was a call coming in. I got distracted. I apologize. So then the granulated erythritol, I get this one. I also got this on Sam's Club. These are the prices for this brand of granulated erythritol on Amazon. And it's $24 for 5 pounds, $19 for 3, $10 for a single pound. But you can get a 3-pound pack for $14 online only at Sam's Club. They don't have it in the store. The only caveat is you have to buy 2 of them, so you're getting 6 pounds for $28, which is just a bit cheaper than buying a 5-pound bag for $24, but we use it. I'm going to put this in Mylar. I'm also putting this one in Mylar because we got 2 of these and 2 of these. So those ones will go in Mylar in our long-term storage, and that is just a huge investment, but you know, if I choose to continue the way I want to eat. But then again, who knows? I may not care about the carbs if I really need to dig into my food storage. The next item I got was on Sam's. I got it at samsclub.com. And Sam's Club does ship free a lot of the items. You do have to be careful though. Sometimes the items are cheaper in the store than to get their free shipping. So really, is it always free shipping? But a 60 ounce, which is almost 4 pounds, 3.75 pounds of baking powder, $5.78 at Sam's Club. And these will probably go in tiny Mylar bags that are only about 2 ounces, and each will have an oxygen absorber. I like to put spices and things that you don't use a lot of into small packages. The next thing that came in that order of Sam's Club from samsclub.com was this 15-pound bag of Arm & Hammer baking soda. I paid $7.48 for that. That's about 50 cents a pound, and that's a little cheaper than you can get the Arm & Hammer brand baking soda for in the store. And when I tried to order baking soda online at Walmart.com, they said that it was restricted, that they wouldn't ship baking soda, which was weird, but they're the same company. Sam's Club will ship it and Walmart won't. The next item I got was this Great Grains from Post, maple and brown sugar oatmeal. This comes in small envelopes, and I got it at the About a Buck store, so it was $1 for 8 pouches. And I know you can take oatmeal and mix in your own brown sugar, but I wanted my daughter to try this and my son. I'm going to see if they like it, and if they do like it, I'll probably get more. It hasn't expired yet, so I don't have a problem with storing that in Mylar. I feel like that preserves it where it's at now. But of course, since it's almost expired, we will taste it to make sure that it tastes okay. If it tastes off or bad, I won't even buy any more. I just bought one of those, and I would go back and get more if we like them. The only thing is, when I do that, we've got to hurry up and check them, because sometimes, you know, you go back 2 days later and it's all gone. The next item is really just a rather silly item. We got these fireplace matches at the dollar store. It was the About a Buck, and they were $1 for 40 matches, but I didn't buy a whole bunch of them. We do cook out on the grill, but I still didn't buy a bunch of them because I wasn't able to check them. They were wrapped in plastic to see how they were. Well, they're nice and thick. They're not like really thin that I've seen on some long wooden matches. And I was actually able to strike it on the second attempt. It lit, and I was holding it way back here. Didn't have to hold it up there. If you hold it back here or back here and it breaks when you strike it, well, it kind of defeats the purpose of having the long match. So I probably will get more of these Eagle brand matches from the About a Buck store. And the next thing that I prepped was something. Let me go to this first. This is at the Dollar Tree. I like getting these little candles simply because they have a screw on top. You might prefer an unscented candle, but I like these, so I just like getting them. It saves me the trouble of having to make a candle, cutting the wick, but I do save all my wax from candles that have expired, and one day I will sit down and make them all into candles. And then this right here, this Mucus Relief, which is guaifenesin, I got that at Walmart. It's the Ready in Case brand, and they keep those items on the bottom shelf because they don't really care if they sell or not. It was only 88 cents for 15 tablets, and these might be cheaper. I haven't really checked in a larger pack, on a per pill basis. But I like these small packages, these small bottles, and I will take it out of the cardboard box for storage and just store the bottle. But they make it nice because it's a small item. It's good for a barter item. And guaifenesin is an expectorant. It's a very important medical prep, and it keeps the congestion loose. It could actually save you from getting pneumonia. So it's one of the medical preps that we always have. We have an abundance of guaifenesin. We have it in other medicines as well as by itself, because it may be the only thing you need, or you need more of it without more Tylenol or anything that would be in your drug cocktail. So that's it. Oh, no, one more thing. Sorry, baked ham. In Fred, I baked a ham. I baked it with the sole purpose of freezing the entire ham. So that is also what I'm doing today. So I'm getting those Mylar bags ready, and I have 7 pounds of ham to put in Mylar bags, and I'm not sure yet if I'm going to do 1 pound, 1.5 pound, or a ½ pound per bag, but that's it. So that's what I prepped today. Oh yeah, and all of this has to go in Mylar, hopefully, by today. I just don't think that's going to happen. So tell me in the comments, am I crazy? And what did you prep today?